What's up, everybody? Sean here with Empire Auto Spa, and today I'd like to introduce you to the sickest C7 in Central Florida. So behind me is really one of the coolest cars we've had an opportunity to do. And pay no attention to the two guys that are hiding back there. We are finishing everything up on this thing. So what you are looking at is really and truly one of the coolest C7s that we've ever seen, more or less ever done. What I've got behind me is a 700 plus horsepower daily driven Corvette. If that doesn't hit you right in the feels, nothing will. Combine that with everything that we've had an opportunity to do to it, and what you are looking at is just nasty. Let me show you around so you can see some of the things that we've done on this Corvette. So what we've done is we've taken this C7 that was already pretty outrageous when we got it, and we actually kicked it up 4 or 5 notches. What we did is we added STEK's DYNOgray paint protection film to it. Now, what this did is this not only completely changed the exterior of this car, but it also provided full car rock protection. And it's 700 plus horsepower at the wheels. This thing is gonna need it. Now, we didn't just stop there. Because of some of the challenges of this product and the limitations, it really gave the designers here an opportunity to go crazy. So as you look over this car, one of the things that you're gonna notice is the amazing combination of the DYNOgray, the carbon flash, and gloss black accents everywhere. Now, if you're watching this and you're wondering what it takes to create something like this, let me just walk you through a few of the other things that we did so you can really appreciate this amazing automobile. So what you're looking at right now is one of the signature items on any Corvette. It goes clearly very well, but it also stops unbelievably. And these calipers are a clear indication of that. What we've done is we've color matched the calipers to the DYNOgray, combine in some gloss black, and again, this thing is just really well done. Other subtle little touches are what really put it over the top. So again, it is all of the pieces put together that make the biggest difference. So when it came time to figure out what we were gonna do with the exhaust, well, we did what we know how to do. We made sure that everything matched and looked seamless. So we painted the outside, again, DYNOgray, but we wanted to make sure that the interior of the exhaust got just as much love. So we made sure and hit the inside with some gloss black. And man, when you put it together, again, it all ties in so nicely. So another challenge that we faced working with this product is because it is so thick. In fact, this product is 8.5 mil thick. That's what gives it the durability to be able to stand up to rocks. Well, that's great until it comes time to making it conform to some of these crazy edges on this car. What this did is this forced us to become creative. So what we ended up doing was we went through and we blacked out everything that needed to be blacked out. And as you look at the overall vehicle, I think it actually added to the appeal of what you're looking at. With everything that you're seeing right now, this is the nastiest C7 in Central Florida. Enjoy it. Remember, there's a lot more coming from Empire Auto Spa.